Hello everyone, in this video we will see what a cosmid vector is. Cosmids are artificial plasmids with cos site of lambda phage DNA. The two cos sites are separated by 38 to 52 kilobase pair DNA. Nearly 45 kilobase pair foreign DNA can be packed into a cosmid. It is a derived vector, it is circular, double-stranded and single-strand 12 base pair regions, that is the cos site is present at both ends, which help in packaging into a capsid. With the foreign DNA you obtain a recombinant phages and it is linear inside the phage capsid. The DNA is linear inside the phage capsid. It can circularize in the host so that there is a definite nick present in each strand and the nick is retained for a number of generations. Cosmids behave like a plasmid. It has characteristics like origin of replication, selectable marker gene and gene cloning sites of plasmid. It lacks the structural and regulatory genes of lambda DNA, so there is no host lysis and integration of the cosmid DNA into the host cells. Example of cosmid: Col E1 cosmid, PHC79, PJB8, PWE cosmid. Cosmids was first constructed by Collins and Horn in the year 1978. Figure shows cosmid PLFR5. It is used to clone large DNA of 45 kilobase pair size. The size of this cosmid is only 6 kilobase pair. It is made of E. coli plasmid PBr322 and cos ends from lambda DNA, and a multiple cloning site is present between the origin and the cos site, and it also has the selectable marker gene ampicillin resistance gene. Cosmid PJB8 is constructed from PBr322 and cos ends of lambda DNA. Here the tetracycline resistance gene is included and the origin of replication and a multiple cloning site into which 45 kilobase pair foreign DNA can be inserted. The size of this cosmid is only 5.4 kilobase pair. Cosmid PHC79 has ampicillin resistance gene and tetracycline resistance gene and origin of replication of PBr322 and cos ends of lambda DNA. The size is 6.5 kilobase pair and nearly 40 kilobase pair foreign DNA can be inserted into this cosmid. Advantages of cosmids: while in plasmid only 5 to 15 kilobase pair foreign DNA can be inserted, in cosmids 40 to 45 kilobase pair DNA can be inserted. Cosmids are used to establish gene libraries of lower and higher organisms. It is helpful in study of nonsense sequences in the genome of organisms. Some cosmids help to clone large genes and gene clusters in bacteria. Example, in P1 bacteriophage, nearly 85 kilobase pair foreign DNA can be packed and it has a maximum capacity of 115 kilobase pair. Disadvantages of cosmids: it is difficult to store the bacterial host as a glycerol stock. The DNA is not packed into the capsid if the cos ends are missing. And the recombinant cosmids can join together to form large DNA which cannot be packed into the capsids.